Me de takasha say be ko yiye we say ko yiye. If Saturday no ekono ana me say dum ewo asol no.
Okay.
Me say 70s no no nti no. Na nipa bebre atutu kwan. Nti na nea oka ho pa what octopus.
Okay.
Octopus no there. No. Enti muana enenam emusa enti 79 80s no mu na asoro no ese saye no born again church.
Okay.
Enti emu na mete born again gospel band.
Wow.
Enti mu no anochi toku.
Okay.
Sister Mary.
Okay.
And Philip medicine ini part ebe brainti no etesi no mu no na mu sabu de brainti biye kakra enti na edi kan yeah sajumwe come na maya onyami no ni mase ma come muse maya oba kufo Nini Obiara Kom na maye Ajonya mino ni wasem o Akome muse Enti Emwa me ya dwom bebre ewo mu enti Enti sesi no mo na me ya dwoma e despite.
Okay.
Na anyone not. Aradi medi wachacha. Then so me da suti yare mu. Aradi eshama sitremu. Ne ye bibi mame. Aradi medi wachacha pa. Medi wach enti mua no sa. Anyumo se mo no na. Me din ye frame comfort edu.
Okay.
Enti no satam no na we enyontofo ayi mama konibi or no one na to we say Samishia
okay.
Me remove from that if you say ready now ono de comfort educhwa and not comfort and no and so
yes
and I now when some did comfort to do and that's part na say in fact about how can
yes and dance
now so ni balance say abawa the other so abawa yes Sompa
exactly say bible mu dey
abawa ne say say be ebi a we ye akwa bi na say ehia wa na say bibi sente that's part the sajum no edin no ma me abawa kone enti menen na mua enti 2000 mu na ba be ye we no yeah Richard
okay
nyami senswe awa hodi bra anwume me se bra me bra ye
wow
me di call producers for by 100 ho
hey I say wait
me di chini ba ko bi dia me de command say enka onto na sat am no cry 2005 oh me koya was so anyumi de say senti no o catch them say e mano English na un cassette 2 weeks pena and I'm to there be
who said be ko ye who said be ko ye also ma wani da ho
enti no emu no an me twa CD ni kakra ene cassette no kakra na radio stations no abo permit me abodi ananse
and then one I ever celebrate you
enti me kwa enti wo so boa me
okay
radio stations bebre nipa no bebre wo mo boa me ebo sa adwum na de ba be si dem so ma ba be bobi so enti enyum to adwuma no eyaduma chede a erade de ma wo de a wo be fa ne ma bebre mu enso wonna mu kakra de baby enti na no erade aseme no nyam wa aseme no nyam pa enti fabre wo mu mu to ne de
wo busumi wa mu erade nyam kontina ni mu nchira erade tutu anamo ensie onfa nyum to ensaw techere maso na erade nyam kopon enfa sedie enhye wafnum erade ma wo mama so nya din ensene wo to benkum opidu beto nifa ebi nkan wote wo de wani wa na be hwe no ho de gonye fa katua erade ani mutie ento so erade nhira ento so erade abaso bo enye wabotre erade nya wo chem erade nya okatabo erade nya otipejafo erade nya otemgyinafo erade nya orechichefo pa na de bia wa hire erade mfantomo bosumi we mu erade ma onsere wate erade ma wadansidie erade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa mo acheche ore o Kristo Yesu dimo
Aba Sompa
Machonyegbe aji machonyeji akafu machonyegbe
Sompa
machonyegbe aji machonyeji akafu machonyenuse awado na mawu for my way chonyenuse awado for my way bakokwe oh machonyenuse awado na mawu for my way bakokwe oh machonyenuse awado na mawu. Do not give the Lord a dance in this place. Come on. Alevisi wo bula, alevisi wo bula, alevisi wo bula. Mikafi, alevisi. Come on, everybody.
Mikafu mau
Alevisi wo bula.
nami teheya
Sing alevisi.
nami pesa widi asakakra
Alevisi wo.
alevisi
Alevisi wo.
Mikafu maulo
Oh,
elave enyo
hallelujah.
miafe maunyo
Hosiana, Mikafui, hallelujah.
Memo, good afternoon.
Mikafui,
Mikafui lo.
Hosia.
Oh, it's an exciting afternoon. Memo, good afternoon. Biom nasa wa winim jumedie no. Eye Sompa delight. Oh, my whole frequency in see I can't know my confidence no mostly. Yes, some delights.
I let you see.
Me patch out who ye dear baby I will be me hope is a nedum swan for Sunny out to be calling the nature say, oh, baby, I high, to be a high cry. Me church ya obibia otie we are breathe. Erade any yedi ni ye wa maye nkwa wa maye ahoden ni etie bia no moje di emu efrisane enti ye beda na se so when you say Sompa delight ye delight wo sa eni je nkomo che se adisia wo mu bibia bi wo mu o ma no mu ka anointing there spiritual side but physical no adisia no ainti next Thursday no abedwafo abefie ha na enkomo emu hwam ai na omonsem no obofoma ojeje so name so say caps corner next Thursday the bebro until Monday to Thursday near the abro back to back na fe Friday wo free na wa boni abebo na maka Friday o china oh mede no ye media kasa hey erade ye me ho cry o china enye easy o okay ma mem da bo afo ase nti Lexter company omo ye yas toothpaste ne yas toothbrush ye do ma se fa say abribia ye tena se a almost so yasne ye do must pa na me fa enchie mu onzen emma me anti akosia ago awaji madam communication anti akosia ma cho bichia o no china hey e ba fe gidi say e ba fe gbe ye bie kwe anti adwa
madam now say there never chine
ye yedi agroni be ofie na ye kan say fufu ni be ofie na onom ho nkwan isa abe no mbu ni say
ye di fufu na onom ho
enye easy watching na somebody say Fridays no jama
agro be fie na udwane akohia
in someone say jama ya ye no Friday no china no physical one be fie ha no
okay kaish
enye easy na make I say just one day ka so be friend no what to need no e kwan beba nti e be ma ne sa akonya no china ma ne issue but physical jama group I can't wait to see them. I can't wait to see them. About fair pin so. About fair pin so. Yes, again, sure. Hey. Anyway, me mama kwaba. Me mama kwaba. That's why I'm producers.
I did stress queen.
Elder Jerry Elder Jerry na se jamano onno wo fila no e was so bet na ho na otumi ma fila ni ye enti producer say o channel na ekoso
o try fire for fire ebe oja fire for fire ebe oja live gospel jama live gospel jama in the house of Sompa FM 106.5 Accra on live on Sompa Delight Sompa Delight live on Sompa Delight Sompa
Sister count there Sister count there
Sani wa we no ya na medwa na me se ne ade na kura me nka bi
e se we dwa ai de ho akọ
me no ya jere e ho to do su ti asada ayira na vim ne ko
asa wi awe na no asa na no odin too much
anyway yeah there say enti yaba ya de ned ye ebe hihye so vocabs corner e na ye be we no are you ready?
We are ready.
Bang 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 bang.
And I don't mind take back I don't have it. No, new sister she no so.
Yes.
Yanya baba one taking no too.
Sa Debio.
Later cry me go for me cause and me who say no.
Bibi amba.
Listen.
Honestly me guy.
Bibi amba. Bagba
because of entrance.
Okay, Mate. Hey, producer na kasa be bagba.
Oh yeah, baba na say Beyonce. Ana baba na say baba.
Hey, I say easy for Mr. Muko Facebook why? Sompa106.5 FM Accra Caps. Now Muko heni ekwaso studio ha. Enti ene word no Caps corner. Eye pernicious. Munye study with here. Munye study with here. Mama spell. A PERNICIOUS. Pernicious. Yanko. Okay, it's pernicious. A PERNICIOUS. Pernicious. See, monkai ni meaning na yanko.
Oh. Wow. Yanko.
Mpatwai.
Pernicious describes having a very harmful, destructive, or ruinous effects, typically in a subtle, gradual, or insidious manner. It implies irreparable damage.
Okay.
Often through corrupting or undermining.
What do you see, Anna?
Odi esi obetumi ato aso. Inti yenki kana meaning nimpi na fe ya ma examples
synonyms. Destructive.
Okay.
Insidious.
Okay.
Fatal or deadly. Inti adie bi are having a highly harmful or destructive effect. It often describes something that causes damage in a subtle or gradual way, making the harm difficult to notice until it is severe. Inti se obi a cause or how be, and now cause obi problem. We say adie bi wo ho no ma sha se a even yare kra. Ebi wo timi sha se kitty be a cause problem, but you don't know. I just say adie na escalate answer. In any situation, be I describe it something that's a severe, destroy nipa, a distracting nipa. I in tem was a subtle, so I wear no. Just I didn't bro. Slow poison. Sapa pepe. When you about so no, not adie no. I say any a friend. Pernicious.
Yeah, into for a contextual usage kakra. So in terms of social ne moral no sentence we bet me the pernicious influence of gossip or a pernicious doctrine. Ebi ya ka introke to ebi ne mu kakra be wi ase na say ni pa na ye de ka ye ka na sem no so na ebi na nya asem pa nti sa behavior na pernicious into the pernicious influence of gossip and afa doctrine ebi ya ka bibia chire obi
ntitie
bi ya ka you know e dia tumitirimu ehemu sa na ebi na enye nokre enye papa but no no dia nantia into doctrine na pernicious pernicious. And then there's another minimum no I na no makosisha say physical and medical with me aka say pernicious anemia or a severe form of vitamin B2 deficiency. It just say so dangerous say ye hunim and nam kitten by the time who nani pana pale cry na face say why only internet it has to do with something that is hidden, like a danger that is hidden. Aha.
Right.
No.
It's more useful. Doctrines be pernicious. Very pernicious.
I tell you.
Now, when you be used to a mamma,
say yake pernicious doctrines be at 2 mana. Nam crana say, oh, me face ya na bebre abegu mitrim. My hair, Manua Copa. Muyus. And our first day in the contextual usage in the poor boy on conconsano. And no say, yes. I remember when I was in the corporate sector. Now there was a pernicious gossip about Obia. It was later that we realized that true. But then run it through corporate organization. Obia nim say, hey, wait there, say, until years after. Wouldn't you partner bet snazzy? And now my casa no who says son and no credit. Now what dia the chini pana kosi. Esida into no such a pernicious behavior, so the infant change.
How you who pan say, Sena kind, ya can't be one I told you, another person swatting, another person swatting, another no correct. Who be no meanwhile, and you open with me who credit with me.
Oh, to me, so a reverse, yes. Obi on tear upon or the FBS.
It's a paper kitami. Na matiti pani.
Yeah.
Now for me, Jim, now from my father. Yes, this is Sunny Nabra.
Hey, now that's a new one.
Could be the own.
About baby. Anyway. And
that's why pernicious behaviors are harmful.
Yeah.
I mean.
I don't be about Simana.
There are lots of pernicious information going on the internet.
Oh, that's I know dear. And easy. I be sister person.
More use.
Who say young conform so me pernicious?
Aye.
Individuals can be pernicious.
Behavior, like behavior, venomous.
Very good.
Venomous.
Very pernicious people. That we should be careful about.
Mu use. The
word for the day, pernicious. Spelling. Spelling. Spell it.
If I'm now say, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sister, at this point, if I call concern about it, yeah, someone to your fear.
Anyway, and then since a guest now by me common, a bed also ain't me yana briefly. Na me di mwesi.
The way I found it, Mom.
Oh, thank you. Wait, why Benny? Guys. Hey. I'll say, why Benny?
Oh, listen. I don't want anything to stymie what you're doing. Into the temperature, go ahead.
That's it.
As a move. A bit of the West and Becca say, hey,
yes, we use it now when they use it. Anyway. So I'm starting from tiny.
Okay.
Tiny.
I'll check. Can't be.
Yeah. You're telling catch it. Now, what make comments be about Lord Kenya?
Okay.
Saying him say Lord Kenya for years. It's and honestly, or can and Crawford Bakwa and Uncle for must shift from. Secular to gospel. Me who say I am consistent and yes. What you say we dear hip life view on recording you know those kind of things, but yent me rubbish Lord Kenya ejuma waye. Or say who say o deserve recognition. Say bibi wo ho say ye na ye de ebo Lord Kenya baso. I want a contribution to music and the industry as a whole. Said this is the right time. even though he's not doing hip life again or serious music, but so ene ye can performance, ye can lyrics. Lord King and Ninyoma watro na enye se be nyoma a bia utia utim say bebia lyrics ni free no na eho ye deep
onim say
enti
oh ka we
enti no say bibi wo hono mu a ewo say ye ya yenye ni sesi a
eye me say na che so okeka call lifetime achievement bi sa no wo say ye call awards no enti e bia na eho na o okeka call or working away to, because that's how it sounds to me. Because obia ono no we free enyum to musisi a all focus on nyame djuma na at a point ko ka say enyum po those songs no ye no person be associating with him near there na say ne we ka say ye recognizing for what he did there na just say bia who set agenda be nti em say lifetime achievements na bia na say industry no ye be ya awards no, and usually they look for people to honor like that nti yeah. Oh, deserve ya, why not?
Yeah. You know, and also yeah, from the camp of Tiny, aka Aleche. Yate. I'm sure the industry players know omuti. If there's something like that, they say a lot Kenya where a body for no crown on shed and you're concerned about. I mean, omo industry no feel say oh. Even so now, say ye boss ad nyom dada ni bi kra. Even though he doesn't want to be associated with it, but your boy.
Ne nyom ni we order there wa come right?
Ain't your friend is saying bed mice. Ocha icon.
Okay.
And I say or say his life was a lot more easier when he had multiple women. And I'm like, oh, how?
I see.
Or say, it may be a chemuno. Sabe
obia woni row
na nya oba ba ko no ni tree street or the ordinary call party or the ordinary call event ase okobo show bi or the ordinary call da o person opie koye shopping ko gine ni wo ba bi so or the ordinary call nti obia wo de woye
and then sika doso
right obia wo ni oye and he feels like that time no even though he's not in that era but of course na braboni ye easy man on that time because see na why na adwin so obe settle no obe more committed no ni oba ba kope atena no o say o share responsibility e wo ho ejuma e wo ho ene sa ne ma na even though outside no people see him more responsible ni dia ba ne ho
no penisa
I don't know when we nipa ni dia aba ne ho or prefer rather say those times no adia o se na nani nye ho e was our old life no ye controversies na we fa na e kon say na e kon na ye say and yes you oba we na say but deep inside
no is satisfied
na o ye okay I say ejuma bi ana ne so onya accountable to anybody.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? It's true there. Can you imagine?
Hey, Abraham.
Opia anytime bia open obefi. Obetimi akohyemu a the open ode na brabo. But now you have responsibilities. You have somebody to account to.
Yeah.
You can't just do anything. Oh, yeah, be factors and conforming in our end.
Yeah.
And I say, even though when you're not sumji, you know, they want to media no more kasa no more, but I say, emotionally, no, or you're fulfilled. I'm say, bra.
Wow.
You can't have it all. Aye, so who you will save? So
anyway,
so that's basically about it. And you know, yes, Remo. Mema na, and I say we cry that even women who are also found in situations like this,
like multiple.
Baby, or no, so accountability. Upia on person will be a friend and say, "I will hand a bang or pia kwa hin will be fear time bang on pet."
But you know,
it's one pet dia. Men kofa bi. That's my argument.
One thing they should all know is that as the years go by, na unfie kwa nim no hona regrets never setting in. It is here hey until now we can now pay ubenyini edu eche kakra na just say or see drain shekan until wo junior show and shenne show china until we feel say nena when ya who say na afei you know utumi ye ne awope a o china bi no we feel wo hey days name no and now we home because multiple partners are holding over here I perform it.
Sika o be say
perform we dey face garden motor dey be another kind of in abundance but I holding no e was to me emo bia you okay to me
so when
and you need to think about the future when you are taking certain decisions. And you know, well, all no Canada is yes, yeah, they can cry, they can home, I don't know. Because I mean, such a behavior can be pernicious. A best static, a crack.
Pernicious behavior.
Yeah. Ube one is a sale, harmful day, be not to say.
Pernicious behavior can be cancerous.
Nahina. No wakasafa hin.
Yes.
Some behaviors are
pernicious.
Dangerous.
It's dangerous.
Oh yes.
Cancerous.
Oh yes. That's true.
You must desist from pernicious behaviors.
Exactly.
And
you can not now DJ Rich with myself no.
It's just an advice. It's just an advice.
And you can get this on Sompa Delights. Did I hear from you, Anna?
It's me.
Sister, let me see you.
So ubenya de ye kenyina. E was Sompa Delights.
Now them so no different question na call your crowd.
Too much of everything to his
He's jealous.
Producer Nyabuche. Obiana ni lane mu. No decide so be cut tin up. Yes, see nam ni say ye be fa ne sa.
Ebuka ma say ye nyina ya sorry up baby afa.
I like that because me and Kazan so only me na ma. At least me ma call the extra mile. I like that. Say wait me because the way I cost.
It's which ra we motivation.
Me assure so compound. Why are you've done well. Yes.
Anyway,
I've challenged you.
Oh, you have. You sure have. And now when your results,
yes, exactly.
When your results, see why are there? Why are there? You play ne.
Who's being here? I'm not.
Your Kosani Empty Lexstar Company Limited, producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Also for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now, product you pay beer. Oh, market baby, corner be out befebia. Now, you say, Monsieur Muka Ukrum. Into just a more baby. Now, Upe say, Unio Mudinkita Hua Accra number of my friend is 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 and Kumasi 050 139 0338 Kumasi 050 1390338. Me chame ho abana me ba abedwafo aye ready ye din komo hwehwehwam ebro benko bebia
clinic sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nko wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abonti na aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahemamo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na with them
mido edrono pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so nim se mede yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na medie me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia mesel fimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na eti brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wo num ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo yas herba yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy
tontonte yenum sane afadwen ne afadwen ampa say na nim se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye adru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 na 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baabi a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wiye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene yede aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a woko pharmacy ana baabi eto nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050 162 8931 and 0246 073 498 FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you some Sompa service. Our home a TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason Sompa service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yajuada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina share radins. Na erade beye.
Collection.
On service will be brave.
Now,
Mr. Pebeka said you should be president.
Who says that? Mr. Simons. It's when decided how to do the
chair president TV.
Aye. You chair papa. Anyway, it's me, Mamo Aquaba.
Yeah, and
say, Uncle Fred, don't know. I can't say, man, now you're my being just be so or yeah, and
I won't say, Mammy, a crada. Mammy, and my fancy.
Wow, me, Mammy, a young ponsa. Even a yakuma. Oh, wakuma. And Nana, ye chow.
Oh, so they be a canon. We not believe we are saying now. I'm a class and family. A child with me, and then to on our ye. It is in your Kunya, you head or Yami obey. I'm not be any dear. You don't owe the word about your china. Or sing a pretty vinya, can you pretty vinya, could be a year that. Tino, it's also be caught the Yamia Doma roof if you have to be caught. The Yamia Doma, but I'm going to be covered this year. You don't hold the next second.
That's right.
It is a do Yawada, ni Jordan, never trans, and a Yamina Dom.
Yeah.
I bet some delight.
Just say, yeah, offer, we had no rubber. I was able to me, bo. Some delight.
Yeah, you were some.
You
were so nice. I could do holidays or China face me. You know
about
I know I got a second with 75 years.
Oh,
so 12, 13 years ago.
Wow.
Wow. I mean, crazy. Maybe.
It is well. Reverend Ethan.
Young Pond, and that's what you better about the assay. Say, one my you and that's what. You didn't chiama etiphobia, any one. What that Ayare Sabia, yes, in Yankupon Casa, and show you now. So,
Amen. Also for spirits now, but then there's someone brown, be there,
brown girl in the ring, la 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 la, there's a brown girl in the ring, la 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 la. I'm saying, what's why a brown? La 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 la.
Chala.
That's fine. Brown sugar.
Hey, also, we are color Kabaka, so you brown. Like our high sense, I Kabaka and a number of brown. Hey, anyway, yeah, there are just to say, and never bet to ye not move better as there. Me from a dream shakan team. I'm okay na a mudo. And see, your stories, but before then, let me just ask. So, Mayday or China then I'm here because I had no ever so papa. And see, China Mayday then I'm.
Mayday or China May prayer festival. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, Bowie. Yeah, Bompire, Copumson, you will say BBC.
Wow.
I'm person Crawford Cope Beach, sir. Omumbrame Bompire. Na one shiny and Yamebe Yamao. On upper 9 to 12. Oh, Bowie, Royal House Chapel.
Wow. Hey, I see. And then the Empire Buffalo, Masuma. Offer Nelson also.
Oh, baby, see.
Okay.
Me and my time, I'm in Chancra, Benaboncomo.
Hey, and then
that's right. Oh, lady, you are Bruno.
Yeah.
Say Boncomo and loneliness. Yesterday, I wrote an article about old age.
Yeah.
You can't have to say, only parts of the Biamecano. It is actually dear. Do be another day. There is no film. Tamo yenyi and kebi to be a manation and that I call check right and fib.
Yeah, so
But why any fib you a cry would you cry? Hey, doctor says, hey, see, they'll see, your condom. We will be now in what is life after all.
Yeah.
So celebrate whilst alive and then show love.
That's right.
Only put the baby paboni. And then I make us say, a chichidie, eh? So who is our who? So be a cardinal ready, but because I didn't necessary for me to know. So you don't like that kind of thing, sharing the designer. You are Sabra Bonaka. You meet people, they promise you at the end of the day.
Yeah.
No more do you hear much thing now a year. Total what no plan all year, dear. Planning the way planning.
Yeah.
But the day doesn't belong to you. To be seen piano. No fun, you didn't create the world, it will be gassy. It just show love, that's all.
Just show love. Deep. Anyway, see, yeah, quite stories so that yeah, show love. Now, yeah, receive it to me, show love too. I brand here, all complaining, send your mind. Comedy, comedian, life production. Okay. Let's look at the story, and then Yanka be a better on because I mean, your stake in the industry, is huge. And whatever you say, so na question Mr. Moyamo Abranti. And you're comedian and you're actor, your friend General Intatia. Na also there are so many challenges I almost faced in production our comedy industry name lack of corporate sponsorship. I know there and some fufuro. And then heavy taxation. And then I'm very discussing before you buy heavy taxation. Any idea, no, Emma, Emma, a Jumane Koso. A more holding, a more vim, no, a moment coming, especially when need support to be or see a Jumana say out in the Sika Shima and yes, say, or if you say business or be now home for so intent any many hair into the wa. What can so and so obe mawo, time now to me every copy. And what can we say to help this gentleman because I'm saying abe mo buanisa.
Okay, the mama Mr. Chance and also for
okay.
Okay, we patrol so cool school. So especially somebody was secondary school. We call form 1 to form 3 lecture all the subjects. Oh, call them na fe wu chusu wa dey kakra bi. Ni bia so yakopon so amani pa talent. It will be a school could be a so a doctor, Abena Ruthy hospital or our copy Juma. Sir, or your government work a year, or call they be a minister of finance and answer a euro. But yeah, the creative people. Tell me, a jay, man, my young crank. We have my gun at the National Theatre, a brave pants and AC. Yeah. To can you grow an AD? Comedy no any with my friend Amide Bamu. Comedy ne say ni stand up comedy near the concert Rev Utia say to be can ye concert every baby first stage to one asanto num they come and crack jokes ajako num near yi bobo kala num o wi ansa na main play no aba a trainer you copy the American style the film num near the original ho a one man comedy near you you can Abena Ruthy obi answer obi so bi nkote man and so bi ankoye comedy o but there can say equal proportions of the fair share of the common fund Sompa FM so with we comedy school we ni we say o ko ba bi ekunu so ko adwuma wa ko school of arts why no emfa na we are overcall ni akoye privately sector driven now show omemu ha I know mo can sponsors so much oba pay and I don't be a woman who have been a feeling bedra. Omo check omo 3 quarterly and quarter 4 quarterly and on budget. So who project be next year said you have to present your budget now. Yeah. So that they factor into it.
That's right.
What we are mid-year. Now Akoba says say no companies require no year sponsors is every woman. Omo akata creative department omo akata your programs.
True.
The marketing for the reason why on marketing department on fancy confirmation way him. So say you know a product to a okay was some part airtime. So between my item be 10 hours. But me mfa sika mfa ma.
Butter.
That's right.
Butter.
I don't know. And comedy business, you know, okay, so munya, you know. You say cut your coat according to your material.
Your cloth.
You know, because
first thing exercise.
The comedy, you know, they started somewhere. Set a club kakra, and the audience they grow. I'm called National Theatre. I'm visit grow. You see, I'm called International Conference Center. I'm say Obino, the UPSC. So you look at the proximity. Now, if you look at the proximity of these comedians, you know when you are attracting, they are attracting certain age. And certain age, they all live within the proximity. East Legonie, University of Ghana Legonie, UPSF. So most of the clients, you know, now, also say Caneno, we bad out in the near man, but near to 2 near the cock. What did there be? This is any minute now, you to be all. Until oh, bar, I might some of this in you are out of business. Mobibia, it may be a woman to a bin and Baba Caneno, can be confident because it's a bidema, we are number 2, and also the boarding. And a honor, and yet, say, pay basic paying from Tikamami. Can be check you are. So you pay to we the creative people, including filmmakers in Adadina, go for your tier tax and say, Juma.
Yeah.
A man why the two we are now over ya. I saw check it, you know, not to say parrot mouth, only clean the drunk. Obuti ye pa. Consider. Many pacoy, easy. Say, Uncle say, so if you are planning, now the rainy season, the month of April, May, June. Oh, planning a outdoor. You're very, very careful. It's top bread. I know what she say. Now, so tell me them problems. You ready? Me nyamba Juma. Men you Juma way. Men I'm that way. But Obi so ye Juma. Oh, you pay that cocoa. Yes, cocoa back. It is so much that can a general problem. Oh, the companies are coming to music baby show. No, right now they see themselves. Some crowd to organize it. Baby, don't for the sick amount because they need come on. Oh, product baby, don't for the sick amount. Because they need come on, product kind of you be our friend is cry upliftment and I say you or did see come on the product, you know. We are not so don't I bank and do with one correct jargon. It is any because can no quite concert that's one there be any ho who get free and out here. It is what they feel about way because bureaucracy because we consign. It is frustrating them. It is also develop new you say. Maybe no like Lexi the comic, Obia Ponsanom, any all the you know baby or her. Twin young comedy within a space we are crabby. And someone tell Oma Shim. It is the strategy is that you look at the man now, Babayano. Baby oh, why are the jokes out there? Have you scripted your jokes? And then I be a man for us because they buy your pan and say, oh, custom man for one city.
Now, so we are comedy.
A comedy, Juma, a one of the so I'm here. More comedy just saying you cannot refuse scripts. It will show scripted or the other what kind of language are you communicating? Every man will be and your brain in short, as someone can say, yes, so that is where we are. And the crowd the Christian fraternity crowd there. You know, say crowd bound for Chacon because of now no religion denomination womb. Anyway, you want anyone damn far. See the reason why I'm free the church from a show. Tirana I depart. It may be a product we say every day you see toiletries and toilet to no that day some now every day a concern. But apart from that, I don't conform with our telecos to from music. Gospel, I just said the brain, you know. So I never called to General Tatia.
Minjin say General Tatia pet and know what that problem no. Almost all the individuals who that comedy space, mono, almost face the same problem. Now, the reason they say most of their shows no more, you know, self-sponsored. Omo na sponsor, which means who banner wo kromu a omo na eye who show nankasa na omo ye nankasa omo na omo ye. But before anipa kun no crop be kwakwohwe ni be remu no na ya je na tax dada. 20% tax on ticketing alone. Inti yam fan say and nyoma mako rent no ni boye say. Abayin say me nka feel say there should be a way out. Abayin betimi aka say what it all can we are nyanka akano. Nanka ya j tax womb. But in this case, won't break it even cry ya j tax womb. Inti how would a comedian be able to break even? And when you look at the space now, corporate bodies in person because raw in terms of return on investment, anyhow, and most of the shows now, most of the tickets are free just to fill the spaces.
Complimentary tickets.
Complimentary tickets, and DOS womb just to fill the spaces. And you be saying crowd by. Well, in as much as a boy in a way, I don't think say corporate body be ebe per se or be call na odini sika ko share that area because or share near obenye free me pie no enye te say near odi shem inti no on risk it so be call that space no but I want to in our face no ye need any body be a ye beka say your friend no let's say comedy body be ejina wa support ade awoye nti at the end of the day no ube wo someone e be ko omko na kopem time ye be ka say enye yi nti me nka me suggestion ne say there should be a body omo betimi aye we secondly no omo ankasa suntumi make sure say ade omo de ba no nipa bepe wo ye bibi na nipa pa but you see in the Ghanaian culture na ankasa no one say previously no there was as DB say comedy there omo serious be no omo until say Suarez no money ade no mu be mu a omo ye jokes some of the DK be no money ade omo ye jokes professional well structured no nanka okasa okoye comedy crowd we busiafo be kasa enkoye until that is the challenge we have now I was see to me share near boa and also your industry in itself at least people will need to stress themselves stress in the doors will groom into a young crofwa omo release stress now we should also support them in a way.
You know the bit about tax no who say I abandon no say who na wo koye wo show and uncle for eba na uncle for na ebe patronizing no me no major tax no wo so enti nya wade a wo ye na major ho tax so enti no fatu so na metumia that is the
ideal thing but what they to so are and aniamedi ya no so no ya beti tax wo ho enti there should be a way
so
out.
This argument ya must and na make us before e be na me reverend come because there was
20% in a door so do.
Let me even say last Saturday music guy authentic high life plus 233 course so fine pa na me be reverend AC abaso for production manager easy no okora just no bibi onimie okora na just so have ya to your mind and it was really
it was very successful.
So I know the man ye tax home no and the explanation is that me nkofo neighbor me no me give VAT enti no fatu so na omu entua na mentema de enti no omu ntwen ma wo ntete wo ka wi an
bibia ye di pesika na ye di aboa enka munja ye nanka ye mfa no nyimboa ye ya ba mo ho
ye mfa nko general ntete a no because it's the same argument okay ye or say taxes a problem sa omu de yo bia sometimes kwa gate na no now omu rep wo ha or share number of tickets who issue na omu wi omu ate omu ntwa wo ma wo nya calculation review just said the fact that say ticket in complimentary you say then you omu bet into this there was able to me in the app na ye say change we bet to me aba ho
yes omu say ne omu bi o ye bia no o tumpon na adwuma ni mu omu de nema kakra ka ho ka come ladies and gentlemen, welcome Abena Ruthy on stage. Stage ni kakra bi. 1 or 2 lights baby. Why dey now call. But then no so no obi a all live music ni e
compete.
So lights LED screen kwa it's coming. Some of them no and this is but it's unnecessary. But also so we started to attract so many comedy and music. Because almost say comedy Because Ghana had the likes of Tommy and Forson. Any Papa
hey, good old.
Yeah. 1985. Tama Color TV back July 1985.
Hey!
FNF.
Say.
History.
No one data. One yeah, that's it.
By FNF. Tommy and Forson. Papa we. Oh no. Correction. My parliament. How are you? How many come are you? No. How no more yet? How that Tommy and Forson.
Okay.
And some KS70. Everybody because no from America I'm to say you be and the buy and sana DKB so free break by the house buy
yeah
on best start here and generate 10 nyina so one on way you know eti ade o my no mabo homodin but at the end of the day so my nya front united front be am fight side way for certain rebates on the year and then adwuma no say abane do no mfa ho Onipa dudu ayeba no.
Yeah.
But isi bi mu so hwe ticket a wa print no. Ehho yi no mo je wa ansa. They say ticket na ansa. Wo tua ka wie so who bears the cost. And we so kan. O ma Ghana ye pay complimentary too much. Why uni bi cry bi cry so this cap one cry so pay complimentary. So how are they going to make the money? Next 2 weeks here, you be call yi. Offense next week you be call TGMA. Ya nya ba bi an koya akoy limited space. You know, I'm a work of 1,000 cedis per ticket.
Because one is
yeah, he can break even.
He can break even.
That's true. Because auditorium on Palm Convention. Who baby? Yeah. Around. Yeah.
And a parking space is a problem. I hope you
exactly.
It's all these are there. Ebe buabana. And what say comedians? It's the old bread. Who can say small space visual? Who say you can make it?
Exactly.
Who fast small space? You know what you be? Be 500 cities are. You don't say. And remember, and to pay large space, students. I do 100 we. Remember, giving me a short say. So much make you have to and you may be because now saying production, yeah, production. No, do I mean call live?
That's a good point.
What I say, to with me, yeah, but then to production, we also prescribe yet to go back to so challenge way, excessive movement, you know, Jana,
smoke effect, cloud effect,
and if you look at comedy, you know, Nimakoya and channel,
yeah,
so to or stage that you are getting.
Exactly.
See, I charge 10 minutes, 15 minutes, no beautiful rubber. So they have to also bring in other people to support. The comedy show, I charge 2 hours. That's why we because. Giggling in laughs at a bite spontaneously. China for boring. Tafina, we give up a tongue, no cock, no, we have a baby. And also, they should refine some of them say, and never your mind incorporate to a be a few more. About one, they should focus on the comedy aspect. 1-2 musicians will be from one. But comedy night, and there will be 5 musicians will be a film. Any other dinner, any answer no. Reproduction cost because
I feel says I know the solution for the comedy industry and it say number 1 also making sure say ma comedy aye business they should look at the business side of comedy to me share business side of comedy now in this case I'm talking about structured tours structure tours in here because remember to me comedy the whole way, you would have to bring people on board. To me that structured tour, I feel they should also try to build a good digital brand.
Okay.
To me very good digital brand. Then corporate institutions, baby.
Yeah.
Then we should also be able to educate the corporate body as to what comedy can do for their corporate brands. Yet to me, yes, Anna, I believe, say, we not face no. Me feel say, was see to me government support. Now, government support, we are looking at tax relief. Yet to me, a form of tax relief for creative events. Me just say, ebeboa. Yet to me, that thing, ebeboa.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Enti Abraham Okasano muka corporate for and say almost starting event. I think the Uncle Fred Pune make it a point. Enti what I wanted to say, Abba Revenes and point him the fact that presence and you felt build a brand
exactly.
such that very attractive.
Yeah.
So there's a corporate organization on a person on one there you will be the choice. Aha, in Senebea. Senya one a wukoye wu event I onim say my building me brand to the level say obi koye bibi a on to me ignore me. Me can't say we are not fish at Sompa106.5 Sisi ano wo ye bibi a on to me ignore no because we are building brand no. And I think every creative should aim at that.
Exactly.
Because that's the only way I mean ube indispensable. We build it such that obi aye na ibia obefre obi aye na you know one go-to person into general tatia yeah we show well
talents in the area talents no but unfortunately structures are lacking lacking structure no into a problem.
I see. Anyway, yeah can't comedy as 7 years a day. Papa be or choral music or group from Wesleyan Symphonic Choir. OCOT NT Mr. Aqua, Mr. Nesta Aqua. Okay. No, a leader for Wesleyan Symphonic Choir. One day, remember them how many 20 years this year. And easy when you're 20 years, almost to choral music 90. You
don't want a youth path. Yeah, to Ebenezer, me honey recorded no. Oh, is it no young one? The original one, Semaphore Atta. Wow. And I'll punch in
anyway, maybe Uncle Fred will message me about me how I make can show. You also I love this man, Uncle Fred. He always gives us the history and exact date of a particular event. If he, Mr. Peter Jiva or Fighter Riker.
The Kajan said holiday I couldn't crack and say. Oh, mammy, fancy, I'm a movie, so Mamma Moon.
Shout out to all sales and marketing departments for our Phytorika pharmaceutical.
Oh, okay, Phytorika. Oh, another very good pharmacy. Oh,
Mr. Jima,
Mr. Jima. Accra Jima. Accra. Why didn't you know I was saying, Momo, why? Okay, holiday.
Anyway, say yeah, come on, master. Young call second story. So, I don't know why I'm linking it to Momo, but it's interesting. So, you're a beautiful woman. The Nagrada, if I tell you names be our friend, no, man, aka baby, evangelist mama part, or ko efiase, and nawaba. Na o senko fo ke ka say e wo senko sesan say e yo mu wanwa say wa bana wasan you know just how loud on internet and so send na otie na on tiase. I mean, she's wondering why people have a problem with it, and we've seen the story. We've seen the story. What do we make of it? And for me, I didn't think that there was going to be a change. No, I didn't. And I don't know why others are thinking there should be a change. I don't know what you think. Oh my uncle.
Near Dikine, we are talking about the prison service of Ghana. And a prison service of Ghana, no, almost 3 basic mandates are almost follow. Near Dikine, a safe custody. Say, Obia or what prison who be no. Obenya ahobom say Bible be ewo no ho. And the second mandate na rehabilitation and reformation. Say nipa betumi asesa. Okay. Na wetumi abeye what that sufufo bi edi. And the third mandate no any say ye no na wetumi reintegrate into the society. We miensa. But unfortunately, no, when you go to the prison yard, Abena Ruthy make card betro as a minister in that field. When you go to the prison yard, either say wobeba transformed, and I say wobeba say why worse because of the conditions they were on. One was saying every prison room, no, some of the places on care was saying funny fabe say 50 fabe 150. Which means already overcrowding. And Anka was saying integration in integrating nkofono nka wo se nka yehwe minor offense way but ya de omo nyina bom inti wonya kromfo na wokọ na bibi na ma wokọ a ya de wakofra kromfo and the main thing they say sometimes they do mribia prison yard ho no omo school wo ho a omo church omo ho ade senia ye nneoma
yeah okay
inti at the end of the day wokọ se nka wokọ akosesa wo ube pie no na afi why a west sin previously
wow
what ade wo ho senior your bokro no said we have the hardened criminals in the same way some hardened criminals are kwa omu pie you know almost sign because most of the times you know your makwaima religious bodies ko any omu kodi nkomo ne ade and at the end of the day no ebinum fa asema what say you know na omu nantim inti the main thing they say wo besesa your personal decision individually I was so making sure say when I will catch on say me pesa mesesa and a system no sanity no and also to me ma and crofosesa some people go to prison omu be no once a prison yard hono omu even vocations are omu church and crofo carpentry those that
into school now can no
that is the main thing e wo one can crofo hwe so edesesa inti yababo prison service abaso omo tumi asesa nkrofo bebre and nkrofo so omo ankasa akosesa omo ho wo eno na man is serious inti say agrada aka say enya prison ho na esesa na then it can be her personal decision so ono ankasa person ye den osesa na osesa ye
inti na if you wu nipa na
ngasa wu nipa no
se wanya wadwene se ubeye better
exactly ubesa basa
Matthias Uncle Fred
CBS way asem penny pa depend ho asem it's time so yen krabia musem we yen hwe yeye aje onyame nko a in the year 2002 here is Fred Chamens and Freddy my team studio you are not so phobi no costly for no kwa sorry o we on ho baby so
okay
but hana or the keyboard by so be abeche asoro ni keyboard na omo kra keyboard omo bebre do omo mpe and now you come up your crown one who said this is many manual na me hwe na me steady ti be je manual na me je so so nya ho mami no ko ba so obe ja obe 1 week the next week oba e na ba ka che so asoro crown so botom no nya yeah na oton say ya o $200 me na so me man $180 set am so de yanko ba na obi so send me $180
wow
and I'm the man but all come ka so on tron receipt and that would save me.
Wow.
Banana be a convict. I'm a coda police. Eti, Omama Yina Jaokoy. That come I said, Judas obey you, so my handcuff for goodness.
Wow.
Nobody studio, and when they talk keyboard, Papa in the toy. The best sorry. Sakumo on the police station in Korea. You don't tank and tobacco. Case the Korea, our judge Azuma. Tama court. Papa Odibo Ameno, Nanuan Uwe, Ellis also for Joe. Lawyer near me call Premier College, Papa Penupa, a champ on time, not a police commissioner. None ran away. What did you charge me? Judge you beside me say, they did come in keyboard number. The bomb here, they did kind, they touch me, no. Scam the toy, no, a bank, the original price. Say, I didn't quite $200, come on $50, sir. Cajun Power Timono, a chrono aging. It might be breed a prisoner, a sign and on the call. 1979 revolution but I don't know my cousin sorry ajoa ada me kwa question set am mo video ya ma ba ni video de ke bi ni ho celluloid ene ehwe eti revolution ada aba se ka me trafie no me kwa question no Rex cinema ana me koye na me de me bag school bag abi books wo me di unsa kiu ni wo ho ti me free mu se me kwa to de ne aba ti bag ni at a decoy. And I'm going to the neighbor. Set up cigarette 79 was an essential commodity. It to go boys be over almost ton cigarette to me now, almost is scatter. So just young sugars in because at that I'm maybe a new juma. And about could cigarette in the bag.
Wow.
Obi a minimum. Me buy me bag. And I me. Say na odi same no ma me be ton tofi ho. Therefore ohu ye. To others scatter everybody. Obi you know hands up. And na almost satisfied search. Lo and behold. Abena Ruthy yakwaya fresh chemensa me bag me na.
Oh.
Young mama okoki etuo bi si nyame kwa charge me dey bia be kwa kra me yesu.
Wow.
Ko be bo me tuo because of common cigarettes. And the commander and said stop. Now there was a police station who come on say Jungle police station. No me call Abena. It's when as a young boy.
Wow.
Bro, you know.
Oh.
So many people have gone to who is Agrada? Agrada Patricia depart ko ni baba the near din out turn ade. And no buy and say fetish priestess. And no in a juma. Omoni bri ediama omo call no at that time no. Because sika gari e dey sika gari. What way? Apart from say okotwa loto a obetuma yimi. So we can say fani sika bra na me fa bi mo ho ma no a. It wo akra wo call no na we kromfo.
Yeah.
And na we any bri. And say me bri taba na me copy CFM do so. Omo for be report no ho. So ba jo mu sika nya. Go hold ma omo. One day or two no se Yakopon friend no. To try article about the Yamia friend 2021.
Wow.
That one appear HME car September 6, 2000 COVID that baby not to hobby.
Wow.
She was there, Reverend was empower her.
Okay.
So almost a black machine, almost all the big people are me associated to because of a surprise. To be quite nominated to, including me, my son.
Oh.
Appear to Sunyam. I don't know people are me now. Say now, or you to quite a god to at that time not damn. Now Agrada any pebia on canon account. Maybe this is mean 2 nipa fo.
Yeah.
One kasa kwada kopema. Na obeba. And okonyi nyanse bebre. And they go to prison. No go prison no. Wako hu the different because obi a say be so awo o da ye kodi sumi na de dey na. Eti tamwa oye so ki story no. So sakra ampa o se wo kan sakra no eye relative. O tell him bi ba asem efa $7 oni sami jenfi.
Yeah.
Na me gina hopa me say case me mu nyina abato ameka bi. O tie esi obanim.
I see.
So for na jegeze ha ya that you pepper we na be sound. E na nyina ma no esi manim. Say kwan fa so man $7 sem nyina ba na mu but ba no anka bi da. I was a principal witness but I never engaged in it. And ya no akwaba. Agrada by we na so nipa ko bi.
Oh yeah.
Be say Abena Ruthy. Wa to he. I'm a person who bit my once a year about why you may.
Yeah.
That's what I have never experienced you. A lot of people have experienced Agrada personally. I do a boy, our piece of him. Oh, I do a be man, sound man. But from I'm signing a mother. She's a very nice person. I must be honest. Only one of my generous woman.
Wow.
And on Pagro. It's a good dude, you know. People want her to conform to the norms of the society. Say, oh, Abena Ruthy, or yet is a want to be a tongue. She has a way of doing her things on social media to make her a two or one also a fraud woman. Say, by it is there was also no evidence because who then I will call say, oh, yes, you can get out of the call. That's also a call. And she's a smart woman. Don't never yes smart is all the book run but they're very sharp.
Yeah.
The dear Kasa. Or say Sika, 1 million now we to one. See I get 1 million bill. Don't give small money chance. Nigerians say in this world it is 2 things. Either you live or you die. That's the stubborn ayina or in one's lady phone. So Nigerian phone almost they don't fear investment. And I think that's what my sister is doing. To me, you know, yeah. Say me do kobo obinum. Say you know, if I will never experience obinum, now when you say we are say bonsam kra will be but it's one of the most nicest person on this earth. Maybe American once and baba. The same thing is happening to this woman. It is kopo prison by no. Come on for case on for credit to the woman on yana. Teche dama maduma ya mamika. Nene mamika bi. Teche dama maduma ya mamika. So they chabi. See give I was saying me. On can tum. Them must say this very careful. So uncle tie nipa na so but owoni ma bi wo ha se be o kama ene amanfo sere asema kama electric ayewia bibi electric so ehun because asema dead one be dead also can just to make embellish and me tie oni roman father yi enti wakwa no ko tia na ntatwani obo hakuhuro ni awo o ti ase den chan funu ni funu nya kukuta ye funu kro eso mu didi a na omo pre ho the same mouth no eti waba oba na konya experience e wo ho isolation because ade ba ko pa e ya pa Abena Ruthy edem how ti you have all the benefits opa mo bi tun no for the king ko me claustrophobia so chibi check baby fa come lift mu kra me fo kra no because can lift me nyame nko a to make wa da
yes you mentioned
mo asphyxia nti baby a little oxygen bi ano na me yi to ko da preach ho no osua niam bi nti wo hwe ni preach mu kra no a there's a refined process osua niam bi as ono abai osa be sick bi me ncha de record dia na no wara o ebi ase rekwe nipa asamba nipa ka bi ni say ye ho ne ye ho anye bia na taba no no there were a lot of people who are benefiting from her koye no o say dem ban makra yesu eti ebia sentence e di man no people will say bia ko be kwa spend 15 years you know amount for Victor buy no on kana num say so on kana num tun say ninja ne say nsem a o social media ha no na make no this time o ya dia ehu papa you so far dey no see we ni na o say na odidi amount for odidi obi atari dia. That's why there's a rule of law. We to the work. And so far as obey, I be so need to be at or any jokes no you are. Maybe send one of say. No mum, Sabri do her. They be some beside ya and then on one. So I don't see any just walk up busy about or tasting the bad side of it. Or the ban or that's sorry. That's all the power. So the power who think I get say 77 one or Jimmy and don't follow no. It would too by be now so only leading the life the same the idea. And then our problem. Nobody leads the life to please others. What you have to so be a situation for coping with that. Oh, quite be a say man, one tear, life goes on.
Life goes on. Now, Uncle Fred, all Casanoka, baby. Now, see, Obi, Eka, sent before, be who I bet to me, I'm away, where Hitino, and they introduce you where be pernicious. Into a baby, sir, pernicious gossip. Just say a dangerous, say, CP through getting, aye.
You call who or who are not, yeah, me no house, when you're recruited. So, I'm away, sir,
and easy. Reverend.
Young can say.
Okay.
I grad that say on one casa and no society and your prison necessano. It is her personal conviction. And I may also for mean to me, Medina Hong Casa near all cano or bois. Every individual bet me assassin. Only pebia, a fro will nipebia to Mrs. Enunti na wonwa wo tie ye nkra no obi aye bribi da na nka enye wo society but then there was sa so no obi o wa asasi so previously no e say na there was ono no se nyame afre no mini asembia ka wo ho se nyame afre no because ono na all ka nyame afre no na mini ho eno an say we are wishing her all the best na ejuma all ye no to me, and I believe so to me, yeah. With time, people will see the fruits she is bearing.
That's right.
But you see, because of Niawayada, in terms of the other side, and Sana or Sasa, not all but Christo Munintino, people still see her say, oh yeah, or comfort.
Some will do, some will
that is what we should always try to avoid. Because the fact that previously not obi a crown for and and there was some or that's so a crown for into bibi irakra na near the question say on na why instead of a yabeka no wasem no adenti ni yam bompaye emfa mano sani ebeya ejuma ni ye bebre wom no wontu yetumi aye Kristo ejuma and most of the times won wa ko bribi mu pa da no so kana se na wa wunim say maami we na first not to say na ende wa be say ya that life itself is a testimony. Etumi sakra obi so. Nti yempa ebo an say obetumi atena faith na wehunum. Obetumi atena gidie na wehunum. No waye nneoma e wo Kristo mu. Send ye be at the end of the day no. Obetumi atwe akra genuinely. Amirade.
Amen. Oh. So for see your chame day who ye prayer
prayer first, prayer first Royal House Chapel Destiny Temple Gbawe.
Okay.
And in the cry na ochna so heavy crusade bi pa so Malam Kukuruku.
Oh, okay.
Won fa wo ho ma nyame won bra no metie nyame asem wo ho na yegidi se nyankopon de nsabeka wo.
Amen. Oh, amen. Uncle.
Yes.
Sorry, so
there be simi nua baba akopɛ o UK friend Francisca Amwa.
Okay.
Why you my friend cry no more.
Oh yeah.
It's some for mommy. Basic home for so be any day free.
Rich bit my sponsor. Oh, but me started
it was some now you call first me. You don't must see. I take from tea. You started to me prepare.
Oh, and never so me prepare.
Let's take a bite like a champagne.
Delight,
where's my communication?
You're popping it spiritually.
That's right. It's 1 month in the Yakoba the Yakoba de Bia. I hope say we are making impact. Now, Michelle come saying, "Is boss say, say, jump the 5th month, maybe do not remain Yakoya. Better Yamian senior to Trum no.
Amen.
There gospel music is a part to what's in Sompa Delight Gospel Show.
Delight Gospel Show.
Anyway, I block in here. It's management. I'm more the master say. Busumi no magie wa ha. Ye ba se mi e be ka bia ankon ye amon bia na o sremo but me feedback am my the police papa Jeremiah. Senka. O ko so jare ko jeje o ta say Jeremiah.
Sorry.
That's right. You know. Sompa, you don't be Sompa because baby, the only person I'm 2 days in my life on Mondays and Thursdays. I say me don't say the Busumi in Yakupo Prakrano. Okro Christ, that don't be na. The show me number is 0201 682423 0201 682423. Open so your own your voice over. Open music, mu consultancy, be a live band, be a.
Uncle Fred, to Bunaka number.
My number is 0201 682423 0201 682423. Fred Chemens, I mean, Uncle Fred, 41 years experience in the music industry. If you don't have them 1 year, Baba, they are contact. What's all you have? You see, you don't give small money chance. The fair share of the common man. Drive with Mama White.
And now, person go to website as well. Website, person go to professional website, and also yes solution be our company as well. Call on us and yabe yamao.
That's right. What the number?
0244 606856.
Okay.
0244 606856. Yabe chow yupu.
Madam was say papa. If a birthday we must say a glorious birthday wish to Prince Gamal Ba. May the Lord continue to bless you and open greater doors for you. Soar higher and age gracefully. Brofu bebre na efi nanaya Okesi Junior ho ena ekoma Prince Gamal Ba. I na because I'm out the picture. If I picture by anyway, I miss it. 18 there. Uncle Prince Nanaya Okesi Junior say happy birthday. Meda obi biase, meda meet papa nyami shamo. Elder Jerry 1. Oh, why ni na busumi aya ejume, why ni na nyami shao. Na menda anti adwase. Auntie Ajua, a perpetuous woman, made that say, and I inferior and I effulgent. Don't say you to me, you so.
Wesley Johnson for you know to UTA or mammy is ya.
Aha, also because me
time now so and to patrol